Hello everyone, in this video I'm going to do a step-by-step tutorial on how to enable two-factor authentication on EO Broker account. So first we're going to go to our browser, then search for EO Broker. Then next, since you're logged in, we're going to click on Trade Now. If not, you guys could log in or sign up. We have videos on that. So as you can see, once you're logged in, we're going to click on the profile icon. Then we're going to click on Security. Then as you can see, there's the two-factor authentication. We're going to click on it. Then we're going to click on Add. Then you guys could choose either to use the email or Google Authenticator app. So depending on your preference, you guys could use either of the two. I chose the Google Authenticator app since it's easier for me. So once you choose what we want, we're going to click on Next. You guys could do it either by scanning the QR code or by inserting the code they sent you. So I chose the QR code. You're going to scan it using your phone. Then they're going to send you a number. Then we're going to insert that number. Then after that, we're done. That's how we do it. I hope you guys like this video. Subscribe for more, like for more, share for more. I hope to see you again. Goodbye.